Has your broiler element blown itself into bits? Today I'll show you how to easily replace it. My oven has two heating coils, one in the top and one in the bottom. Unfortunately, they work together to heat the oven, so if one coil goes bad, it will have to be replaced in order to use the oven. Fortunately, this is a very easy fix. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to replace the broiler coil, test the new coil with a multimeter, and get your oven working like new again. Let's get started.
Step 1.
Check the coil. This is an easy step if you have a multimeter and would like to make sure your coil is good before installing it. The coil has two terminals that will need to be connected to wires on your stove. In my case, the damage is obvious. But if you're not sure or want to test the replacement coil before installing, then you can perform a continuity test. Set the meter to the audible ohms tone setting. To make sure that the coil is in one piece, you can check for continuity by placing the red probe on one metal terminal and the black probe on the other terminal. If the tone sounds and numbers change on the digital readout on the meter, then you're probably good to go. If there's a break in the coil, no numbers will show in the meter and a tone will not sound.
Step 2.
Remove the door. Pull the oven out to access the power cord and the back panel. To make this job easier, you can remove the oven door. Start by opening the door at an angle. Release the two hinges with a flathead screwdriver. Grab the door on both sides and pull straight up to remove. Now, with easy access to the interior, slide the oven away from the wall.
Step 3.
Unplug the cord. Before you begin, make sure to unplug the cord from the outlet.
Step 4.
Remove the coil. For most Frigidaire ovens, the broiler coil is located at the top of the oven compartment. To remove the broken coil, remove the two screws holding the coil bracket in place with a nut driver. Temporarily screw them back into the holes so that they don't get lost. Two more screws are located at the back. Pull out the wires that are connected to the ends. Now simply pull the old coil off of the wires and remove.
Step 5.
Replace the coil. Slide the ends of the new coil onto the connectors until snug. Reinsert the two ends back into the holes. Make sure that the coil is seated securely and in the correct position. Replace the two back screws and replace the two top screws with the brackets. Alternative method. If the two oven wires are short, fell back into the stove, or just too hard to work with, you can easily attach the terminals from the back of the stove. First, remove a ton of screws from the back metal cover, and then gently pull it back out of the way. The two broiler terminals will be located near the middle, where it will be much easier to swap out the two connectors. Replace the metal back cover and the ton of screws.
Step 6.
Replace the oven door. Set the oven door onto the two hinge pins. Remember to close the two hinge locks first or the door won't close.
Step 7.
Plug in the cord. Plug the cord back into the outlet and slide the oven back in.
Step 8.
Check the new coil. That's it. Turn on the broiler and bam! Your new coil is ready to do some broiling. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you get back to cooking. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos from Show and Tell.